tutorial 2B. Before I start my speech or presentation, I want to ask you some questions. What do you think about this picture? What is your first impression about this picture? Who is she? A nerd? A weird person? Actually, she is a model. Courtney from America's Next Top Model Season 22. Now, the next picture. What is your first impression about this picture? I think it's an easy way to study chemistry because it is made for dummies. I definitely can learn chemistry if the dummies can learn this too. Then, if you see the content of this book, okay, what is this? I don't understand about all of this. What I am trying to say is sometimes first impression is different with the reality, but it says everything. In the business world, you will meet many new different people. Maybe it is your client, your investor, or your customer. Maybe few of them already know who you really are, but most of them didn't know who you really are. When you meet them for the first time, your personality is not what they see. Your appearance does. They will evaluate and judge you from your look or what you present. What I'm going to say is there is a relation between visual communication and first impression. From the business communication material, visual communication describes the conveyance of information and ideas in forms that can be read or looked upon. It's quite the same with the first impression. Visual communication and first impression will create our mindset about something. The first thing that we have to keep paying attention is our look. For the example, if you meet your client with informal look, your client will judge that you are not serious with them. From that example, your visual appearance is really important in the business world. That's why it is really important to you to learn about visual communication for making good impression to other people. Actually, this material has a relation to the smart fashion material. To make a good relationship with other people in the future, we always have to keep paying attention to that. Then, the second thing is what you present. For example, if you're going to present your project in front of your client and you have to use the slide, then you just put the text without thinking about the design of your presentation. Your client will get bored easily. They might think you are not a professional. It is important to make your presentation object interesting. If it is interesting, it will attract people to take a good action or reaction. Maybe we can see from the psychologist fact about color. For the first time you see colors, it will give you feelings. Colors can give us different feelings for each color. For the example, if you see yellow color, it will describe positive, happy, and motivation. So, it has a relation to the first impression. It is very clear that first impression is everything. It will create mindset and feeling to other people. So, don't ruin your opportunity because you have a bad impression. It is important to us to always make our first impression good to other people. So, that's all my opinion about the relation between first impression and visual communication. I hope it will be useful for you. Goodbye, thank you.